You're at the start of your life right now, with dreams in your heart and questions somehow. Success is not only a race to win, it starts with your health and the shape you're in. A strong body helps you show up each day. A steady mind helps you choose your way. If you want freedom to build and create, learn how money works and start early, not late. Money is a tool, not who you are. Use it with care and it will take you far. Step by step and day by day, small good choices light the way. Health first, mind strong, built for life. Choose good habits, choose what's right. Learn to earn in 4 simple ways. Work, business, invest in creative play. Stay curious, learn then try. Use grit and discipline day by day. Breathe and reflect, know who you are. That's how you grow and go far. A healthy mind is trained with care, not by giving every hour to noise out there. Be curious about the world you see. Ask better questions and learn deeply. Learn one skill, then use it well. That is how true learning starts to gel. You may fail, then try again. That's how strength is built within. Don't rush for comfort all the time. Some goals grow slow and that is fine. What feels hard now can make you strong and help you build a life that lasts long. Don't chase hype, don't chase the crowd. Grow in quiet ways that make you proud. Discipline now may feel small, but later it can change it all. Health first, mind strong, built for life. Choose good habits, choose what's right. Learn to earn in 4 simple ways. Work, business, invest in creative play. Stay curious, learn then try. Use grit and discipline day by day. Breathe and reflect, know who you are. That's how you grow and go far. Take a little time each day, sit still, breathe slow. Write down what you feel and let your thinking grow. What do you love? What matters most? What kind of person do you want to become? Reflect in silence, calm your mind. The map for your life is built inside. When you know yourself, your path gets clear and your purpose grows stronger than fear. Health first, mind strong, built for life. Choose good habits, choose what's right. Learn to earn in 4 simple ways. Work, business, invest in creative play. Stay curious, learn then try. Use grit and discipline day by day. Breathe and reflect, know who you are. That's how you grow and go far. Soul first, mind strong, built for life. One small step at a time.